Thank you, our EC members. Thank you.
A very nice function that has been made possible, especially for Waziri and the team. So, DJ, tukingojea
Polo Chuga.
The President Ambrose Rachir, Senior Counsel.
I won't be in the middle of the tornado anymore. I'll be looking on from the outside, but definitely, I know I've made friends here in Kenya and here at this football club that will last a lifetime. So I just want to say thank you for the opportunity.
We are going to Africa. We will go. You journalists spreading malicious things, we are still going to go to Africa. We will be there. I think it's about 10th or 15th August. We are going to play in Africa. You see us going down there, and with the support of those who are genuine.
We will be ready and available, working with the office to support you, to make sure that you get the best preparations possible ahead of the CAF Champions League, and of course also go out there, not just to participate, but to participate effectively, with a view to replicating what the 1987 team did by winning the Africa Cup Winners' Cup, as it was then called.